Hi Tara loves, it's Ethany, and I have another unboxing video for you today because it's Friday and that's what I do on a Friday. I put unboxing videos up. This is Britt's Third Eye Tarot, which I found on Instagram through hashtag following. I found this deck and I immediately was drawn by the art style, and I went on to, I believe it's Game Crafter or Printer Studio. There will be a link below, but it's one of those print on demand type jiggies, and I ordered it. So I haven't gone through it yet. I'm very excited to open it. Standard tarot size, and it just comes with a little white tuck box. So I'm going to swap over cameras and we are going to go through Britt's Third Eye Tarot together. Hi lovelies, so now we're going through Britt's Third Eye Tarot for the first time. I've got to admit, this box is going to go. This box is getting turfed pretty quickly. I might save that image, cut it out and use it for like collaging and things like that, but this is like, I will just call this the delivery system box. It's going to be nothing else. It's not anything to keep. But I get with indie decks, this is an indie deck, that it's not always easy to have the funds to do the whole kit and caboodle. Okay, the back of the deck. Now this is, what do we got here? 330 GSM. I'm trying to figure out if that's linen stock or superior. It's nice quality, whatever it is. So it doesn't come gilded. But let's go through. I found this deck, as I probably mentioned in the first part, through Instagram, and it is quite lovely. The Fool. So as you can see, it is bordered. The Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. Oh, this is so sweet, the Emperor. An owl hiding in the tree there, the roots that go down and the tree that goes up. The Hierophant. It's a really interesting imagery there, right? Like being in the box. And the Lovers. The Chariot. This is awesome. Strength. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hanged Man. Death. Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. The all-seeing eye, hey? The World. The Ace of Cups. It's a really pretty card. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. So as you can see, this is based on the Rider-Waite-Smith system. Seven. Eight. Nine of Cups. It's gorgeous. 10. Page of Cups. I love that she's painting the cup. The Knight of Cups. The Queen of Cups. Mirror, mirror, baby. And the King. The Ace of Swords. The Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Four of Swords, aka the nap card. So great. God, I love a good nap. When you get older, it's like, oh, love a good nap. Five of Swords. Six of Swords. Seven of Swords. That's awesome. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. Interesting because it has a similar feel as the Ten of Swords in a lot of tarot decks, with it being up the back, but then you see the Ten of Swords here, and I really like this image, that it's like the awakening through the death of a physical body, or the death of an idea, the illumination, the completion. I really, really love that. And then we have like the Lamiset symbol in the background too. It reminds us like the continuation of life through evolution and things like that. It's so great. Page of Swords. Pick me, pick me. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. King of Swords. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. Oh, I like that a lot. Words and arguments breaking, tools of instruments of creation. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands, a duel at Hogwarts. Love it. Eight of Wands. And I want all of those wands. Nine of Wands. Ten of Wands. I like that juggling too much. It's probably like my card, my life. The Page of Wands. She's so sweet, so cute. It's almost like reminiscent of like Alice in Wonderland. The Knight of Wands. I love her. Look how fierce she is. Queen of Wands. Has anyone watching this video seen Lady Lovely Locks? It kind of reminds me of Lady Lovely Locks. So love that. I used to get it out all the time. A Blockbuster Video. That's how old I am. On VHS. King of Wands. Okay, Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Cheerleading. Oh my god, I love cheerleading. Bring It On was like one of my favorite movies. Cheerleaders are so freaking talented. I can't even. Four of Pentacles. I'd literally die doing half of the stuff. I'm just not that physically coordinated. Five of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Love it. Yes. Be surrounded by all that amazingness. Ten of Pentacles. Gorgeous. Legacy and things like that. Page of Pentacles. The Knight of Pentacles. So cool. Rubik's Cube. And a graph. The Queen of Pentacles. The Home Queen. Home and hearth. Nothing wrong with that. And the King of Pentacles. I love that because in my major arcana he is the business, the manager. The one you want to manage your money. So I love that. Now this does not come with a guidebook. So I don't have anything in that regard to show you. It shuffles quite nicely. Like I said, it's nice cardstock. It is printed using a on-demand printing service. I will pop a link where you can support this deck and get your own copy. And we have the Six of Swords, walking away from broken ideas. I really, I think this is such a charming little deck. And again, I love supporting indie artists. And I'll pop a link as to where I purchased this and where you can get your copy. And as always, thank you so much for watching.